Step into Harrods food halls, London's ultimate foodie playground. Every aisle bursts with color, flavor, and luxury. Fresh seafood, artisanal cheeses, and gourmet pastries that look too good to eat. Chocolates, rare spices, fine teas, and wines from around the world. It's all here. Even the snacks are next level, perfect for a treat or a gift. The displays, Insta-worthy and totally jaw-dropping. You can wander, taste, and discover treasures you didn't even know existed. Harrods Food Hall isn't just shopping, it's a full-on culinary adventure. Snap, explore, taste, repeat. This is London's foodie heaven,